हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है बॉबी पुरी और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है englishwale.com। सो फ्रेंड्स, बात करते हैं आज के टॉपिक की। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन प्रिंसिपल एंड स्टूडेंट। किस तरीके से प्रिंसिपल स्टूडेंट के बीच में कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है वो आपको आज इस वीडियो में देखने को मिलेगा। सो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आएगा। आइए शुरुआत करते हैं इस वीडियो के साथ।
Conversation between principal and student. May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, you may come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What is your purpose to come here?
I have come here to request you to grant me the scholarship for class 11 and 12th. Actually, my father's earning is not that good and we are 3 siblings. So it becomes very difficult for my father to pay our fees and to bear other expenses.
Oh, okay. Tell me your class 10th percentage, as there is a set criteria in the school to provide scholarship. By the way, why didn't you take admission through EWS category if such is the problem in your family?
Respected ma'am, we tried it, but unfortunately my name was not reflected in the list and my father wanted me to get education from this institute only. It has been a pleasure for me to be a part of this institute.
Okay. And what about the percentage?
Ma'am, I got 95% in 10th standard and I promise that I will prove myself to be an asset for my school.
I like your dedication and confidence, Gaurav. You are a bright student indeed.
Kindly grant me scholarship, ma'am. I will be very grateful to you.
Don't worry, my child. It is a pleasure for our school if we could be of any help to you. I'll surely recommend your name for the scholarship.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I assure you that I will outshine myself in every sphere.
Good luck, my child. Go and focus on studies.
सो गाइज, अगर आपको वीडियो हमारा अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और आगे आने वाली वीडियोस के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें। थैंक यू गाइज।